7 o'clock. We're not late leaving. It's not true. Now he's running away, but he's not running away.
Top spot was taken.
It's a good thing that we didn't have the trailer though, because last time I had to reverse and turn around in that tight area. At least you only had to do it with a boat.
It's easy.
And I did in one shot. Excuse me. It's 8:40 and I'm hungry. I need some food.
What's this?
These are a fruit intake for the day. Strawberries. Delicious.
Hey, get out of there. Come here. Hey, come here. There's nothing jumping right now. There's lots of mosquitoes.
It's going to be delicious.
What are you tying on?
Mm-hmm. Tying a fishing knot. Just like that. Beautiful.
You gotta get rid of that tag end.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, I never do when I catch monster fish.
No, you don't. Teeth aren't tools, Stephanie. Sound like an old couple bitching.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I almost dropped the fucking GoPro.
That's a good fish. Scrappy fish.
Oh my god.
Pretty good. He's not 3 pounds.
My dad would be so disappointed right now.
Your dad?
Yeah, because I'm not reeling in.
That's fine. Yeah,
Oh, he's scrappy, but he's little.
Yeah. I'll get him around.
Oh,
there you
shit.
go. Told you I'd get him around.
Oh, there he is.
Grab it more.
Do you want me to grab the net?
No. Oh, yeah. I guess so.
Oh, yeah.
About net and distance, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. Well, a couple times we were. Bring him up, bring him up. Oh, I missed him.
What are you doing? Oh, yeah, you're trying to pull him in there.
Yeah. Oh, no!
Give him water.
The net's all fucked up. Oh, no.
Here, let me see the net.
So let's just take this.
Or just take that.
What's wrong with the fucking net?
Yeah. What a show.
Oh, yeah, good.
Alrighty. Let's take a look at him. That's a decent fish.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, perfect. Popped out. Blue bastard strikes again. Always go blue bastard. You want to see the fish, people?
Yeah, got it. Nice.
There he's gone. Oh yeah, another scrappy guy. I'm sorry. Next time you get grumpy, I want to be like, I'm sorry I outfished you.
Hey, you never get grumpy.
I know.
You don't know what it's like to have emotions. Must be nice.
I was built out of spare parts.
Oh, fuck. Okay, cannon. Oh, it's smaller.
Blue bastard's kicking ass.
Yeah, I'm switching.
I don't have any more blue bastards.
That's alright. Figure something else out. Figure out some other kind of bastard. That's 2 for this guy. 0 for me. No, he's there. Oh, yeah.
Blue
So that's
bastard
3
number
for you. But they're just little guys, so I mean, we are fishing for sport today, so that I guess counts. But if we were fishing for food, the little guys would still feed us. I'm still losing. Oh, yeah. Oh, they shine differently under there. Nice. There you go.
What was that?
She's just a little farter. A good hook or bad hook?
Good hook.
Yeah.
Blue bastard again.
3. Oh.
There you go.
It's gone. Hey.
I thought it was a long pole. I thought it was a weed. Here I am. Catch the fish again.
This is the
Sorry,
one.
Elmer, for not having our reel in, but filming's more important than tangled lines.
That's true. I'm pretty sure he won't be disappointed with the size of the fish you're catching.
This is a disappointing size of fish. Like it doesn't even.
Yeah. Took a bite of your bastard.
I don't even think I have to net him.
Do you want me to get the net?
Nope.
You're gonna lose the dog.
Blue bastard again. Number 4.
The next one takes the hook. That might be my next one.
There's a lot of water. I don't know how many chances I need to give you. Electric buggaloo now. Lost a blue bastard to a 20-pounder.
It was a 20-pounder. It was a 20-pounder fish.
Are you lying?
Yes, it was a log. This one's not biting at all.
Usually means.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, it's a big fish.
You're a little guy.
Yeah, it is.
Scrappy little guy.
Oh, he's got a lot of pink on him.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Fishing's supposed to be slow right now, actually.
Yeah, that's what that guy said, but he must have been using the wrong lure.
He doesn't have any buggers or bugaloos. This one's the electric bugaloo. Everyone's like, match a hatch, but that's the electric bugaloo. Doesn't look like nothing.
Nice.